Hello, I'm Brenda, owner of A.B.E. Carpet Cleaning and More. Today we're going to talk about cleaning laminate and luxury vinyl floors. These products have become very popular for many homeowners and businesses because of their ease of installation, minimum maintenance, and high durability. Incorrect cleaning of these surfaces with harsh cleaning products, steam cleaners, or excessive water can cause dulling of the surface or possible weakening of the adhesive. Several well-known floor cleaning products can provide a quick cosmetic fix, but often end up leaving a residue on surfaces, trapping more dirt and affecting the floor's sheen. Many homeowners and businesses are often surprised how much dirt has become trapped in the grooves and textures of their floors. A.B.E. Carpet Cleaning and More can provide a deep cleaning with equipment designed and products specially formulated for today's modern flooring surfaces. Our before and after pictures show the dramatic results that can be achieved with an occasional deep cleaning. Call us today for more information or to schedule an appointment. Visit us online at www.abecarpetcleaning.com for additional services and special offers.